another building block Wednesday. Okay. We got this one. Okay guys, I need to say building blocks kasi I bought it from Temu. It's not from Lego. Okay? Chanan! We're gonna build this one. Oh, hologram sticker. It's so nice. And it's 120 steps. Okay, I can do it. First thing I noticed, meron siyang totoong gulong. It's a rubber. Yeah, it's vegan.
Ay, really cute. Nakala ko yung headphone.
Ay, hindi pa pa yan. Because this one, I can finish it like tonight.
Oh, I don't think so.
Oh, it's only 120 steps. Sobrang konti ng parts niya. Okay. Hindi pa. Nilaban lang kasi bago. Ay, suot mo na yan. Nasuot mo na yan. Isipin mo, B, anong gagawin mo pag wala ako? Wala kang tatanungan.
Ito, spray na suot.
Oo. Ako talaga yung mga sagot sa problema eh.